Hello, children. We are going to learn subject English grammar, and the topic is collective nouns. So, now let's start learning this same topic with its definition, examples, and exercises. Let's learn the definition. A collective noun is a noun that refers to a collection of persons, animals, or things taken together as a one unit or a group. Let's see the example. A class of students. The word class stands for a collection of students. A herd of cattle. The word herd stands for a collection of cattle. A bunch of grapes. The word bunch stands for a collection of grapes. Now let's learn the exercise. Trace over the dotted lines and join the collective nouns with the people or things they stand for. Number 1, a library of books, a bunch of keys, a heap of stones, a team of players, a pack of cards. Now let's learn some more collective nouns. A collection of persons is called a crowd of people. A collection of birds is called a flock of birds. A pile of books. Collective noun for a collection of bees is called a swarm of bees. A flock of sheep is a collective noun for collection of sheep. Collective noun for many lions together is called a pride of lions. A litter of puppies is a collective noun for the collection of puppies. An army of soldiers is a collective noun for a collection of soldiers. Collective noun for a collection of robbers is called a band of robbers. A collection of flowers is called a bouquet of flowers. Collective noun for collection of sticks is a bundle of sticks. A pack of wolves is collective noun for a collection of wolves. Now let's learn exercise B. Write the collective nouns for the following. 1. Cattle, herd. Number 2. Puppies, litter. Number 3. Stones, heap. Number 4. Wolves, pack. 5. Lions, pride. 6. Sticks, bundle. Number 7. Sheep, flock. 8 number. Birds, flock. 9. Bees, swan. 10. People, crowd. Soldiers, army. Flowers, bouquet. Now let's learn the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with collective nouns from amongst those you have already learnt. One number. Deep inside the wildlife sanctuary, our bus passed a blank of lions. So, as we learnt, the collection of lions is called pride. So, the answer is pride. Deep inside the wildlife sanctuary, our bus passed a pride of lions. Number 2. There was a blank of keys hanging on the wall. So, a collection of keys is called bunch. So, the answer, there was a bunch of keys hanging on the wall. Number 3. There is still one blank of grapes in the dish. So, the collection of grapes is called bunch. So, there is still one bunch of grapes in the dish. Number 4. While we were away, our house was robbed by a blank of robbers. So, collection of robbers is called band. So, the answer, while we were away, our house was robbed by a band of robbers. Number 5. I presented my teacher with a blank of flowers on Teacher's Day. So, collection of flowers is called bouquet. So, the answer is, I presented my teacher with a bouquet of flowers on Teacher's Day. 6. A large blank of angry people had gathered outside the police station. So now the collection of persons is called crowd. So the answer, a large crowd of angry people had gathered outside the police station. 7. Dilnas took us to see the new blank of puppies. Collection of puppies is called litter. So the answer, Dilnas took us to see the new litter of puppies. Number 8. A blank of birds flew overhead. So the collection of birds is called flock. So the answer, a flock of birds flew overhead. 9. Out of the hive came a blank of bees. So the collection of bees is called swarm. So the answer, out of the hive came a swarm of bees. Number 10. The president took the salute as the blank marched past. So the collection of soldiers is called army. So the answer, the president took the salute as the army marched past. '11. The magician performed a tricks with a blank of cards. So the collection of cards is called pack. So the answer, the magician performed tricks with a pack of cards. 12. A cricket blank consists of 11 players. So the collection of players, that is called team. So the answer, a cricket team consists of 11 players. Now once again, we'll learn the simplified definition of collective noun. A collective noun is a name given to a collection of persons, animals, or things. We can see the example. Many players together, it's called a team of players. Many fish of same kind, that is called a shoal of fish. Many stars together in this picture, it's called a cluster of stars. Single is a goose, but here many geese together So the collection of that is called a gaggle of geese. Only one is judge, but here many judges together, it makes a panel of judges. A collection of sailors is called a crew of sailors. A collection of pearls is called a string of pearls. A collection of photographs is called an album of photographs. A collection of tools is called a set of tools as collective noun. A collection of cattle is called a herd of cattle. Collective noun for the collection of ships is called a fleet of ships. A brood of chickens is a collective noun for the collection of chickens. Now let's learn one more exercise. Match the following. Number 1. Photos, album. Judges, panel. Stars, cluster. Puppies, litter. Wolves, pack. Pearls, string. Fish, shawl. Ships, fleet. Now, dear children, I hope that the topic is clear in your mind. I just try to explain the definitions, examples, and exercises of this topic. So, I think that it will be easy for you to understand and also to learn. So, here I am concluding the topic. Best of luck. Thank you.